Today, we're talking about the best ads for a rug cleaning business. Hi, I'm Gary Horton with Fine Life Marketing. Let's begin. When it comes to advertising a service business like rug cleaning, you can simplify all your advertising choices into two types of ads: precision advertising and billboard advertising. Most of your ad choices fall into the billboard advertising categories. These are newspapers, magazines, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, and actual billboards too, of course. All of these ad platforms work like the billboards you drive past every day and mostly ignore. These billboard type ad platforms have their place, but they are not cost effective for service businesses like rug cleaning because it requires extraordinary luck for a potential customer to see your billboard type ad at the same time they need your service. If you use billboard type ads, the odds of a prospect seeing your ad at the same time they need your rug cleaning service is about zero. This kind of advertising can also be called hope and prayer advertising because you can only hope and pray someone sees your ad. When someone needs your rug cleaning service, they don't drive around looking at billboards hoping to find you, and they don't search social media either. They search Google. Google ads are the best ads for a rug cleaning business because Google ads puts your rug cleaning business in front of potential customers precisely when they need you. Google ads are precision marketing, the most powerful advertising strategy you can use for your business. At the moment, Google ads for rug cleaning services are very affordable. The problem with Google ads is they are not something you can easily do yourself. That's why you need a professional Google Ads management service. Google ads are complex and time-consuming to manage properly, and mistakes can be expensive. You need a pro. A pro has the training, experience, industry connections, and tools to get customers calling you. When you hire a professional, your marketing is easy. With a pro managing your Google ads, you'll have a steady stream of customers calling you, and you'll be free to focus on your business. At Fine Life Marketing, we specialize in managing Google ads to drive customers to service businesses like your rug cleaning service. Our service more than pays for itself. It's our business to make your business more successful, to help you earn more in less time and with less stress. Here at Fine Life Marketing, we understand you're in business to make a better life for yourself and for the people you love. That's why we named our company Fine Life. If you'd like to know more about how we can help you, sign up for a free 30-minute consultation. Our contact information is in the description below this video. Thanks so much for your time. Take care.